like scrambled eggs. I like
They're very easy to
eggs.
mess up, but I like scrambled
They're
eggs.
not easy to mess up. What?
They can get too watery sometimes, bro.
Oh yeah. Well, that's because you're
And
a
now it
bum.
just ruins it.
That's because you're a loser. And not.
Yeah, expand. That's because you're a loser.
Join me in scrambled eggs. Awesome.
You're in a public server.
I know.
I mean, I know you guys aren't egg guys. Me neither. But like,
I'm egg.
I
love eggs.
Oh, so like, how many eggs do you think you need to make an omelet?
Well, it depends on how big the omelet is.
Like a normal size like omelet, I guess.
Like 3, I'd say 3 or 4.
What the hell is this? The top down.
Die! Die! Yeah, you just got scrambled, bitch.
Oh, I fell off the map.
Yo, leave me alone. He's got a nuke! What do I do about that?
I got a gun? Is it one shot? Oh.
I wish there was one shot.
Who you are you?
Fuck, leave me alone. Bitch, where'd you go? Oh, I broke him. Oh, shit!
Oh.
Yoshi, why did you do that?
Easy.
Splash beacon. I killed someone with the splash beacon.
Okay, so,
Oh, there you go.
there's fall damage. That's it. Nuclear...
A nuclear bomb.
Man, this game easy.
I have a knife?
I didn't kill anyone.
Die.
He
Die.
killed me before I got to kill anyone.
No! It wasn't the idea.
What?
got a
I died to that
revolver.
guy. What the?
What is that thing?
Yo, stupid cat. Leave me alone, bro.
Can I not reload? My arm
I'm kind of
cord.
insane. No! Damn it. What does Q do? I see Q. Yo, I can't see. That's not fair.
Yo! Do not get hit with a pear, bro.
Yo, I just keep getting one shot, bro.
Dude,
What is this?
I'm so
A
bad.
pizza tower?
Hey, I know that game.
Hilarious.
Him? Oh, I should have summoned him.
Expand, that was me, bro. What's Q do? Oh, that stands for quest.
Did you know there's 1 minute left?
Why does the flash beacon do nothing?
Oh my god.
Oh, I got Friday Night Funkin'.
Accidentally fell again.
Friday Night
A
Funkin'.
knife. Did you get melee weapons? It's not fair.
I got a burger. Oh, you killed me.
I did?
Yeah.
What's happening?
Infuriating for. Oh, this is the thing I got hit with. That blinded me.
Yeah, I literally couldn't do anything because I kept getting hit by it. And the stupid golden Freddy.
I hit you with that. What do I do? I got suspect strip mine. Yoshi, are you playing with us? I'm gonna die to you in a little bit. I'm so gone. Did you hear my strip mine?
No.
Yo.
You know I got 4th place and I'm the best out of everyone.
Chop.
I can
Move
turn
the
my.
camera.
Oh, you can turn the camera.
Yeah. Oh. That's kind of awesome. I don't know what was gun game. Oh, that's great.
Customization too.
Wait! This is tough. How do I buy it?
You're the least toughest person ever.
I buy it? Oh, I did it. How do I use my spray?
Oh my god.
Is it E? What?
Oh,
Did I kill someone with my landmine? How am I supposed to get a kill, bro?
Oh my
that guy
God.
just fell.
I got it. You throw this? Oh, you throw arrows. What the hell?
Oh,
man.
yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You're all dying snow. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I killed himself, bro. I didn't even count. Why can't they just block you? So weird.
But where is anybody?
My shots keep getting blocked, bro. What is happening? How am I not?
Oh, that's tough.
Am I not getting any hits in?
How am I not finding anybody?
What the?
Oh, you can break
I can't do
windows?
anything, bro.
Yo.
Ooh.
Bitch.
Yo, this microphone item sucks, bro.
Bitch. Yo!
How many times does it take for you to kill someone?
A lot.
The knife is so bad. Oh, you can just hold it. How did not hit? He
Oh, he
stole
got a
my
kill.
kill! Stupid bitch. Die.
Oh,
Please, just die. Stupid
I got it.
Where'd the guy go? Yo!
insane kill streak right now.
What the? Okay.
Yo, the damage output on this is insane. Insanely bad, I know.
Insanely good.
Dude, 6 times! I hit you 6 times and you only had to hit me once! Oh, you can turn your camera. I didn't know that.
Oh my god.
Yo, this is actual garbage. I think I just need to start placing bombs.
It really sucks when you can't find any.
Sniper.
Yo, leave me alone, expand!
Where is everybody?
Oh, my kill!
No, bro.
W.
Where'd he go? Yo, everybody keeps stealing my goddamn kills. I just want to kill people.
I can't find anyone. I just died for no reason.
Yo, why is this stupid microphone so bad, bro?
Oh.
Yo, this game is garbage. Yo,
I still won though.
Just a second.
Look, oh my god, the point difference is crazy.
oh no.
You have some like secret hours in this game, bro.
He
It's
played
not
it
that deep.
earlier.
I played it for like a minute.
What the freak?
Fast food worker, that's me. I need that.
What's PH? Pornhub?
Maybe. Maybe.
Alright, well, I'm gonna vote it. Where's the shop?
To the menu.
Man.
How do you equip stuff? I don't get it.
I'm
Oh,
pressing
here.
M. It doesn't work.
No, press the letter. Press the button.
Okay, I'm the guy with the McDonald's hat.
What's the
Present hunt. From present to change your
Oh
weapons.
my god, I can't see.
Good thing I don't need to. God.
What the fuck?
Oh. The nuke. It's just like Alice.
Randomizer?
This is just randomized.
Yeah, you said
Come on.
Yeah, bitch, you just got destroyed with a fucking explosive barrel I didn't see. Ooh, that drop down! That drop down was crazy. Fuck. Did I hit someone?
Oh my, this guy's running, dude.
Yo, just land
Oh my god.
right here, bro.
Oh, if you hit the bomb, it explodes immediately.
How you not die? Oh, cause he's blocking it with his stupid bomb. Or what? With his knife. No! No! Leave me alone. Yeah, bitch.
Oh my god, I just killed him.
There's no one here? No one's here.
Bitch! Get that drop down.
It's a bomb! Oh my god.
Oh, that was you, Expand?
Yeah, Expand, that was you? Oh my god, Expand.
Where's anyone? There's no one on the river? Oh.
Huh.
I got the worst fucking possible weapon.
The flash beat can kind of go crazy, though.
Not if you can't hit it, loser.
It's pretty easy to hit. Like, what do you mean?
You're a bum.
I think anything sucks if you can't hit it.
You're a bum, bro.
Man.
Ooh, I'm hitting those
No,
shots. Oh. I was hitting those shots on you and didn't work. New weapon. Jumbo Josh launcher.
He blew himself up, bro. Oh my god.
I killed you. Yeah, idiot.
Man.
Y'all
You're
trash.
trying to do a 360 no scope, bro?
Jumbo Josh launcher.
Still please.
It's too overpowered.
Oh, that's a hit of fire.
Oh, that's fire.
Oh, that's fire. You guys all died to that? What was that? Oh
Kinda
my
hard
God,
to
there
move.
is no skill in the Jumbo Josh launcher. You just shoot and it kills.
I've been stuck with the knife the whole game, to be honest.
Get a present.
I haven't seen a single one.
Me neither. I've been on the flash bacon this whole entire time. I win.
And you did it. Wait, what was the point difference? What the freak?
12, 13, and 6.
Okay, the second place and third place. That's a 6-point difference. And there's like 8 people. Something terrible happened.
Why is everything $100?
I'm not picking PH again.
Do I have it equipped? Oh.
The only thing I have equipped is my spray.
I don't have it equipped.
Look at my spray, Scan. Is that you?
Is that you?
Is that you, bro?
I can't even tell because we're all just the same
Did
thing,
you
bro.
see my werewolf spray?
I didn't see anything, bro.
Oh, you didn't see it.
Nice, I got a double kill with that. I got a triple.
You?
No, I got a double
You
kill.
should die, Scan. Yo!
There you go.
Damn.
You drop down like this.
Wait, what? Why did the bomb blow up right away?
Oh,
Oh!
flip. Flip, flip.
No! No, blow up!
You do not want to be down there because you just get jumped.
Yo, I just spawned in a war
Oh my
zone!
god.
Stupid. Yeah, you just got played. What? That didn't count? Yo, Twin, you need to die.
I got flashed.
Oh,
I can't see.
killed someone!
Okay, cool.
Or killed 2 people. Bitch. Y'all ain't got nothing on me.
Right.
Oh.
Yoshi, I hate you.
I love you too. Oh.
Bro. No way that reached me.
Yo!
You can't
Keep
get
getting
assist, bro.
third party, bro. Leave me alone, Stan.
Damn it.
What? What was that? What does the swirly do?
There you go.
Do a single bit of damage, bro.
Woo! Woo!
Miss.
Free.
I can't see. Oh my god.
I'm not hit him.
How'd I die?
What?
Bro,
You stole
there's
my
too many
kill.
people around me.
There's too
I
little
killed
people
you.
around me.
Hey, Yoshi.
Really, and the whole
my God.
server is right there, bro.
Yeah. Oh shit! I got the stupid microphone. Woo. What do I do? I have this stupid microphone. There's nothing to do here. I was doing so good too. He did not shoot me. What? Yoshi's across the map and he says he shot me. What?
Yeah, man. It's easy.
I'm still hitting you.
I did bad. Oh, I did good.
Aw, bruh.
Dude, everyone's stuck on 9 kills because of the stupid fucking microphone of doom. Ah,
It's not even bad.
not even that bad. It is the worst. It takes 6 fucking hits to kill someone.
Yep. Reactor. Oh, awesome.
Oh, what about volcano? Dude? X-Man, notice how when we were playing Baldi's natural disaster survival, I never got this angry.
He was
Nothing-
natural disaster survivor.
Nothing to get angry at, bro. This is literally
The
just natural.
shopkeeper low
That's-
key bad though.
Okay,
You were saying what was on my mind, bro. I just didn't want to say it.
that's exactly what happened.
Don't let it be on your mind, let it be on your grind. Type shit.
Man,
That
I
was
got
shocking.
fucking blown up. Yeah, take that, bitch. Take that, bitch. Take that. Take it, bitch.
what? You can't get a kill if they kill themselves.
Yeah, bitch.
But yeah, that's.
No. Oh, I got Jumbo Josh launcher.
Man,
Yeah, it takes like 11 shots to kill someone with this. Like, what the hell, bro?
I just killed 3 people in one shot. Bitch!
what? Just murdered everyone. Wait, what? I didn't murder anyone? What murdered everyone?
Bitch. Bitch. Who you think you are? Bitch.
Damn it.
Ooh, you just got destroyed, whoever that was. Was shot in the dark and it still won.
I spawned on fire, bro.
You deserve it. Okay.
Yoshi, run! This man just
I'm
killed
nuked
me.
twice in a row.
Oh, leave me alone, bruh.
I tell you can't shoot upstairs.
Yeah.
I'm doing bad.
Yo, he's running away.
not even
Yo, he
shooting.
let my kill get stolen, bro. That bum. He said if I die, it's not gonna be by you. What the fuck? Invisibility potion. And is this you?
I'm the one with the pizza
Yeah.
tower? I did kill you. Okay.
Man,
Boom, boom, boom! I scared you! What?
what? I was down there though.
Ink Blaster low-key not it. Come find me on the stairs, bro. I get someone?
Yo, what am I
Oh.
supposed to do? If they just keep hitting you with the stupid fruit, then you just get blinded forever.
Ooh.
Yo! I
you
cannot
doing?
get past this fucking Ink Blaster.
I can actually pass the fruit.
Every time I get close to killing someone, someone else kills them. Bruh.
You still
Wait,
want
I
me.
still won? And I
I only got 8
$16.
kills?
Dude.
It's not too good.
Yeah, anything that isn't $100, dude.
This game is easy.
How 7 deep. Undo ridge.
Looks like no one else wanted to do ridge.
It was a good idea though. Spin.
What?
I'm gonna spray on you.
Let's spray it
Okay,
on.
spray on you.
I wish you could change your color. Oh well, you can. But like for free. Oh, Yoshi, you suck.
I spawned right there.
Dude, there's so many hymns. Oh my god.
Did you just see them go through the wall? Or was that just me?
Oh yeah, they go through the wall.
There's so many hymns, I see them. They're crawling up to me!
Oh, you throw the spear. Can I jump down here and not die? Oh.
Hey Yoshi.
You may suck.
Oh shit, that's not my hymn.
It's invisible.
Bitch, leave me alone. Boom, bitch. Fool. The strat is to
Damn it.
go right next to somebody and then spawn him. Yeah, he's
Bro.
got bitch.
Okay, yeah.
Shit, I'm still on fire. Yo!
Dang. Dang.
Bitch.
What the frick?
Ooh.
W. Okay.
Yeah, bitch! You got destroyed. What? That didn't count? Okay, whatever. What?
Oh.
Dude, there's so many hymns, bro.
How do I still
20.
have the fucking spear? Oh, because you need a double kill with the bomb for it to progress. Because you kill yourself in game.
I'm stupid.
What? I should have gotten that kill.
No one over here.
Yeah, take that. I got caught by a stray.
Oh my god, these stupid stairs, but
Oh shit! Trip mine, bro. Oh, Expanse chasing you down, Yoshi. Oh hey guys, I'm here too. I stole Expanse kill. Molotov. Haha.
Dude, oh my god. You killed yourself with it, bro.
Did I?
what?
Either way, it doesn't matter because I got like a double kill.
Huh.
That guy just fell off the rope.
I got one last kill there. I win!
Oh,
Yeah.
16!
W.
Yo. Illegitimate, bro. Nepotism.
Yeah, expand.
What the hell, bro?
Actually, I want to do canyon. We've not done canyon before. Yoshi, I just
Are
watched
we-
you switch your boat.
Mhm.
Fucking bitch. Oh, I see the AI overview thing. People are saying hello to each other in the chat. The group is saying goodbye to each other before leaving the game.
The people are saying nothing.
The people, there is
We're
not a
saying
word.
nothing. Not a single word, bro.
I gotta find the present because I do not want the spear. Holy shit, Yoshi. You see that guy?
No,
The guy killing everybody? Try me, bitch!
no.
I was so out of that range.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I just want a peppermint. What? A present. Found one. I got a Christmas tree.
Okay. The shotgun's crazy, bro.
The shovel was better.
Yo, I'm getting hit by so much damage right now, bro. Where'd that Molotov come from?
Yo,
Bro.
yo, expand, leave me alone. Wait, I'm building a wall. I'm doing nothing.
Oh,
It's so annoying. Why'd they even make maps with verticality? You can't shoot down or up. It's so annoying.
Stop chasing me! Oh my god, you can push the chairs around. I just knocked them all over. Oh, another present. Yes, I got the sniper. Except I'm not sure how good that is. Hello?
no way, bro.
Anybody home?
All that effort just for the guy to jump off the building, and I don't get the kill.
What?
No! Oh my god. The sniper has recoil. Should I try my luck? I'm trying my luck. Woo! W payoff. Oh no.
Can I move on from the stupid microphone, bro?
Bitch. You got wrecked. Oh, I want the Jumbo Josh launcher so bad, bro. I'm an idiot. I'm a fool.
There you go. What?
Stupid Jumbo Josh.
Oh my god.
Yoshi, aim, bro. Yo, can you move any slower, Yoshi? Jeez. Just trying to. What? What? Hey, Yoshi.
Not me.
Bro, none of these are hitting. What the? Okay.
Yo, I'm
Nothing
not
there.
even on the stupid leaderboard. No.
What? How'd you not get on the
I
leaderboard?
have 2 kills. Oh, because I kept killing myself in game.
Bro.
Oh my god. Ah.
You kind of sucks.
Yeah. I don't know.
It's not
I'm
bad.
not good at it. And some of the hit detection is bullshit. Let's do Ridge.
Wonder if there's like a block thing with the punch thing.
I think most of the melees have that kind of thing.
It's crazy.
I'm pretty sure none of them do.
No, the knife definitely
No,
does.
And the punch definitely does. I was literally hitting that guy every time, but there was no hit at all.
Oh, is this Ridge? Fuck. Oh, your gun
Damn,
only
I just
changes
sniped
upon
that
death.
guy. Yo, the recoil's crazy. Oh no.
Oh, man, stop killing me, bro.
Wish you can reload.
Yeah, I wish you could reload on command, but you can't.
My god. Random dude anywhere. Okay.
Ooh.
Yo, I cannot spawn. I'm just getting one shot.
No! Stupid recoil!
You know what?
Chimney canopy? Oh my god.
What?
Yo, just kill me, bro. I'm not living to see another day with the fucking microphone. Oh, I'm pecking
Man,
up
I
this
probably
guy,
got
though.
suck.
Ooh, I just got a kill with the microphone. A kill. Yeah, I'm jumping too, bro. Yo,
What the freak? There's so many homes.
I know. They're mine.
No, they're not.
What's up? I killed 3 of you. Stupid fucking Jumbo Josh piece of shit. Sorry. No, I'm back at the fucking microphone trowel kit. What is this? Kill me. End me. There we go. Jesus Christ. The group is actually saying nothing. Thank you very much.
Damn, that guy getting out of nowhere.
Oh my god. I'm just murdering people over here. Come on, spawn in.
Bro, how is he sliding around so much? Oh my god. What can I do, bro?
Ooh,
I'm like
motherfucker.
blinded for like 5 seconds.
No way. Oh, I got 100 kills.
Wait, I don't know where to run away.
Everyone will feel my suffering. Yo, he's invisible.
Yo, I just got launched. I'm glad I got the burger so I can just get one shot in that life. Great.
Did you expand with the microphone?
Yes. There's just a trip mine there.
Uh,
I think I placed that actually.
oh, I got Jumbo Josh. Boom. Boom.
I was not near that explosion. Okay.
Something like the hypest clips ever.
What?
Boom! Boom!
Expand, is this you? I'm chasing you down with my knife. Okay. Well, the knife strategy wasn't exactly working. I'm here to take your killer tonight.
I did not win at all.
I win.
I don't even think I got top
I
3.
won! I got first place!
Oh, I got second. I
No.
got second.
All the hymns did the work for me.
Y'all wanna get off?
I feel like there's like a lot of stuff missing from the game. I mean, it is in. Is it in alpha? Did it say that?
I think so.
Did it?
This game was really cool. Yeah, it is. This game was really cool.
It's in
My
beta.
main
I
qualms
feel like
are
they
just what were they thinking up with the stairs? Like, what do you do
the stairs.
about that?
They're just missing a lot of stuff, like the hit markers, like
Oh,
health bars.
I mean, they have a sound whenever you hit someone, but
yeah. The hit detection is kind of goo goo gaga. The balancing is like Arsenal balancing, where they're just like, this is a bad weapon and that's a good
You
weapon.
don't even
Sorry
need
about
balancing. You just needed the game to work.
that. And the game works. It's just not.
Just you're
great.
missing stuff. Like there's no reload button. There's no health bars, hit markers. There's not even a
There's a
leaderboard.
health bar, but it's only yours.
Yeah, but that's the built-in one. But there could have been something. Not even a
Yeah.
leaderboard. But the daily shop was necessary though.
The daily shop was necessary. And also, you gain money so slowly. Like, we played that for, like, what? 40 minutes? And I got $60. That's like,
Yeah, grind.
yeah. Well, that's really not a big complaint compared to the other ones. I feel like for the stairs, you should just like make it automatically like aim up or down. Like, you don't even have to add some way to look up or down in most of the game. Just make it go up the staircase or down the staircase wherever you're aiming. Feel like that's pretty much it. Can we need to add a feature where we can crack the shopkeeper though, right?
What?
As a prerequisite.
Now look at VC text.
What? Okay, bro. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. If you want to see more,